Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from happiness.com, and today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the Jabra Evolve2 65. Okay, it's been a long time since I've handled enterprise, consumer grade, business grade headsets that can use for can be used in call centers or even at working at home, especially now that 50%, 30%, 60%, 70% of the workforce of call centers are either working at home or working remotely already in different locations. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this bad baby right now and see exactly what's inside. Okay, the SRP for the Jabra headset is 15,500 pesos only. Okay, so we're gonna see later if that's something that you're willing to buy. Okay, as you can see, the box is in premium setup. You can see also here it says that you get 20% off your next Jabra purchase if you register. Okay, so we're gonna open the box right now. Okay, as you can see, it's nice, very premium. On the right side is quick instruction guide on how to pair. The headset, I assume, is inside this nifty leather pouch. Okay, we'll put it aside. And under it is a booklet, okay, in different languages. And then there looks to be a charging stand, okay, with a USB connection at the end. Okay, and that's it. That's everything inside the box. Okay, so we're gonna keep the box, put it away. Okay, we're not gonna wreck it like other people. Okay, so inside the box is the charging stand, the manual, and the device pouch. Okay, inside the pouch is the actual headset and another cord that is Type C. Okay, so it's USB to Type C. The connector here for the headset looks like a Type C. We're gonna try it out. It's in the bottom there. Yes, and it is a Type C connector. Okay, the stand, I assume you just charge it something like this. There's connectors there, see, that needs to get in touch with that one. So I assume that's how it's supposed to look. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in and test it and see how it's supposed to pair in the next video. So we have the microphone here on hand. It's supposed to be worn, as far as I understand, this side is supposed to be on your right ear. Okay, so this is at the back of your ears. Okay, this button here on the front diagonally is the mute button. Okay, although based on instructions, when you bring up the microphone to this position, it's supposed to mute you, and then when you bring it down, it's gonna unmute you. Okay, these three buttons are the standard pause, play, forward, back buttons, and the volume up and down buttons. Okay, and when you're wearing the headset and you need to answer a call, which we're gonna try to test, this button here is the one you press to actually answer the call or initiate the call. There's supposed to be LED light somewhere here to show that when you're busy or something like that. Okay, but since we are not using it, it's not yet on. And here's the power switch. Okay, and as you can see there's the Bluetooth icon, so it's supposed to turn on. And then now we're gonna search for the Bluetooth signal. So when you want to pair it with your Bluetooth, you need to hold it, push it up and hold it for a while till you see the blue light blinking. Okay, and then search. So you can see there's a Jabra Evolve. It's called the Bloggers unit. This is a demo unit that Jabra lent us. It's asking to pair, and there it's paired. See, it's not blinking anymore. Okay, it stopped, and it says here on my headset that it's paired. So we're gonna try to play one of our videos and see if the audio comes out in the headset. As you can hear, I don't know where the microphone is of this MatePad Pro, but as you can see, I'm not sure if you're hearing it, but the audio now is now playing on the headset. Okay. If you want to use it with your computer, you're supposed to use this Type-C USB connector. Okay. And just plug it in, okay, in the bottom, and plug it in directly to your PC. Okay. And once you plug it in, it's gonna self-install, and as you can see, it says this Jabra Evolve2 65 is ready and set up to go. So let's go to the sound options. Okay, as you can see here, I'm gonna try to record. As you can see now, I'm gonna click it. See, so it actually works already. You can actually also pair your Jabra headset directly with the Bluetooth of the computer if you want to, or you can just plug it in with the Type-C connector so that it doesn't run out of power. See, it's actually still charging. Hey guys, so if you don't want to use the Jabra Evolve2 65 headset with the Type-C cable that's included for the laptop, okay, another option you can do is, remember the pouch? Check inside there. There's a small dongle that you can use and to connect it wirelessly to your PC or your laptop. Okay. Once you connect it, it automatically will alert. And as you can see there, it's setting up device. And as you can see there, it says it's ready to use. So we're gonna press this, and then as you can see, it works. So if you don't want it connected via cable, all you have to do is plug in the dongle that's found in the small pocket in the pouch. And as you can see, there's a small red dot there on by the ear. That means that's the busy light. The Jabra Evolve2 65 can reduce the noise from your electric fans, according to the people that I talked to, and it can last until 36 hours of talk time. So check it out guys. Bye!